That's comfort mode, you know, because you can see the smoke coming out of only one pipe here. Other pipe, nothing's coming out. It's going to rev to 2,000 RPMs and then a rev to 4,000 RPMs. So that was a cold start. It's starting to settle down now. Got some condensation in there. And you can see now that it's settled down, it's not that loud. When it starts cold, it's pretty damn loud, not gonna lie. But now let's do the same rev testing we did with the stock exhaust earlier.